Hey everybody, Doug Goff here from MarineMax in St. Petersburg, and today I am really happy to show you the all-new 2021 250 Dauntless from Boston Whaler. This is actually one of the first ones in the entire country, so we are so excited that we have that here on the ground in St. Pete. One of the things that you'll notice right away is this beautiful black powder-coated hardtop matching the black custom rub rail that we have on the side. And I'll meet you back here at the stern and I'll show you a couple things back there. Here at the stern of the 250 Dauntless, I just want to show you that we're powered by a 300 Mercury, amazing power in this boat. And then we also have the 10-foot matching black power pole for you guys that are going to be on the bay and doing your fishing. Just amazing. We've got three big jump seats back here as well that fold up, backrests. It's just amazing. Can be folded down for when you're fishing or folded up for when you're with your family. I'll meet you at the helm. Here at the helm of the 250 Dauntless, we have a 12-inch Raymarine screen. We've got premium sound, fusion radio sound. We've got an optional VHF radio, which is really great for when you're going to get offshore a little bit. You got your trim tabs for just that awesome ride, so you can adjust it just to be just right, just the way you want it. And all of your switches and gauges, all of your systems are right here. And a beautiful fusion sound system. As we move forward to the bow, I just wanted to stop and show you the ample room that the 250 Dauntless has here for the head. Just really great when you need to use the facilities. Here on the bow of the 250 Dauntless, this is the best seat in the house. Ample room for two people, huge area to sit, just the best seat. You've got armrests, you've got stainless steel cup holders, fusion stereo speakers, and underneath here is what they would call the garage. This is the garage storage, huge storage area for all of your fenders and lines or toys, whatever you need. As we move forward, you can see that at the front of the bow, we've got the backrests of the seats that flip up if you're underway and people just want to sit up here and enjoy this social area, or they fold down. All of these pads come off. You can remove the pads and just fish this boat. But if you just want to have people up here, you've got your cup holders, you got your speakers, you got your fusion stereo controls up here. So this boat checks all the boxes. It does everything that you could possibly imagine it to do, and you're never going to find a better ride for a boat in this category. And it's been great to show you this boat today. We look forward to seeing you here at the marina. We love you. Come on down and see us and check out this 250 Dauntless. Let's get you out on the water with your family. We love you.